Hi, this is Sogan. Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. In this video, I wanna teach you the pattern of a gorgeous and simple crochet flower for beginners. So let's see. Start with the magic ring, chain 1, make 10 single crochets in this circle. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fix the magic ring. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Insert your hook into the second chain and pull up loop. Go under, go left and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through one loop. Go under, go left and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through one loop. Twice. 3 times. 4 times. 5 times. 6 times. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yarn over, pull through all loops. Make a slip stitch in next stitch. Chain 10 and repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Insert your hook into the second chain and pull up loop. Go left, go under and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through one loop. Please crochet 10 petals. You should have 10 petals. Subscribe and like for more video tutorials. See you later. Bye.